We've got here the Dyson V11 Absolute and the Dyson V10 Absolute, and we're going to go through the key differences to help you decide if it's worth paying more for the new features. The V11 has two main new features, and the first is the digital display. It gives you a battery life countdown to the nearest minute. If you switch from low power mode to turbo mode, you'll see that the minutes left changes. The display also shows when there are blockages or when the filters need cleaning. The V10 has a basic battery life indicator, which gives you an idea of when you're running low. But the V11 takes this to the next level, and Dyson says it will even learn your habits over time to refine its estimates. The second key difference is the auto cleaning mode on the V11. This adjusts the suction depending on the surface you're cleaning and saves you having to switch it over yourself as you clean. However, you only get this feature with the most expensive V11 model, the Absolute. One of the main challenges for cordless vacs is battery life. Dyson says the V11 lasts around 60 minutes with the floor head attached in low power mode, compared to around 45 minutes on the V10. Another handy addition to the V11 is this small clip that attaches to the tube, so you can carry mini tools around the house with you while you clean. The V11 and the V10 both have a 0.8 litre dust container that can be emptied straight into the bin using the ejection lever. This brings us down to the price. The entry-level V11 Animal is £500, the same as the top-end V10 model. But with it, you'll get more battery power, a digital countdown display, and the accessory clip. The higher-end V11 Absolute will set you back £600. That's an extra £100 to get your hands on the auto-cleaning mode. Head to our Dyson cordless vacuum reviews for our verdict on how well the different models clean and whether the V11's auto cleaning mode is worth splashing out on.